Good afternoon.
Hello and welcome to ИнстаФорекс Economic News TV channel with us, Ekaterina Stikhina
And Anna Kasatkina.
You're watching the combined currency and commodity market review for the previous week.
What trends prevailed in the Forex market?
The US dollar saw a sharp drop on Friday.
And what triggered heavy selling?
US macroeconomic fundamentals turned out to be rather poor. Weak US employment figures for April once again brought up a lot of doubt in the trading community, casting a shadow over the prospect of a near-term rate hike by the Federal Reserve. The US Department of Labor reported that a mere 38,000 jobs were generated in the country's non-farming sector in May, which is significantly lower than the forecast for a build-up of 164,000 jobs. This is the lowest reading since September 2010. At the same time, the unemployment rate in the United States fell from 5 to 4.7% in May. Average hourly earnings increased by 0.2% in May, in line with expectations. Following the release, analysts pointed out that the data wiped out any chances that the Fed would raise its interest rates in 2 weeks after such dismal statistics. Now, in wake of the reports, the odds for a rate liftoff in July are way below 50-50. On Friday, the single European currency was having a day in the sun. In just a few instances, the exchange rate skyrocketed by more than 200 pips. The euro-dollar pair finally landed at 1.1366, whereas last Monday it opened the session around 1.1115 levels. Overall, the euro added a total of 251 pips over the week. On Friday, the US dollar index, which measures the performance of the greenback against a basket of 6 major currencies, tumbled to 93.9, its lowest mark since May 12. The index ended the week with a decline of 1.54%. That was all about exchange rate movements on the currency market.
Thank you for the currency pair overview, Anna.
You're welcome, Kate. So what sentiment prevailed among commodity investors?
Oil prices ended Friday's session lower on the back of a reported rise in the number of drilling rigs operating in the United States. This was the first increase in 11 weeks. The report fueled fears over the current oil oversupply in the global market. On the London-based ICE Futures Europe exchange, Brent for August delivery slid by 0.8%, reaching $49.84 per barrel. The latest OPEC meeting held in Vienna on Thursday failed to offer support to crude oil prices as it ended without reaching a production freeze agreement. Brent futures shot 31 cents for the week on Wednesday. They were trading at weekly highs around $51. Meanwhile, on the New York Mercantile Exchange, July futures for WTI edged lower by 1.12%, coming in at $48.62 per barrel. By the end of the week, the contracts lost 71 cents. In the meantime, the gold market saw a surge in prices. The yellow metal naturally took the chance to exploit the moment of weakness in the US dollar, and the prices jumped by tens of dollars. On the COMEX diversion of the New York Mercantile Exchange, gold futures for settlement in August ended Friday's trades at $1,246.85 per 3 ounce, gaining $30.50 for the week.
Ekaterina, thank you for the commodity market overview.
You're welcome, Anna.
You have been watching the weekly currency and commodity market review on ИнстаФорекс TV.
It was presented to you by us, Anna Kasatkina
and Ekaterina Stikhina.
Have a great day. Goodbye.
See you.